Hello Earth, welcome to episode 6 of season 3 of Making Cell, a series of videos where I record myself designing and implementing a programming environment called Cell. If you're just tuning in for the first time, I recommend you go check out github.com/autocornell/cell. Link will be in the description. And we're going to continue with the editor. We left things at an interesting place last time. We did this Big Bang refactor and it worked actually. If I remember correctly. Now it's all broken. Of course, the moment I say it's working, it breaks, which is fine. It's actually great. It's an opportunity, right? Why is it so broken on? What's going on? This is like a bad dream. It's like I don't know what's going on. Who wrote this? Can I escape? Okay, let's try to fix a few things. And I have so many things I want to do. You have no idea. Well, actually, you will have an idea. I just wrote all these development notes between the weekend and today, and I have all of these things I want to do in the editor and a bit in the language as well. I said I almost don't know where to continue, but actually I do know. It's in the editor because I need to make the editor useful enough so I can start working with Cell. So I'm going to be developing the editor and the language in parallel, but as like dictated by need, not by nice to haves. It has to be useful. It has to be useful soon. For it to be useful, it has to be not broken. So let's just figure out what's going on. For example, the escape. Why is it not working? Why cannot not escape here? Okay, it's a good question. Why can I not escape? Editor. I'm sending an editor cursor. Am I sending this put? Nope, it doesn't seem to be being called. So let's just do here a clog. So let's see if we're here. We're not getting it. Why not? Also not getting that one. What the hell's going on here? Maybe this doesn't have the class cursor. That could be a good explanation for it. It definitely has a class cursor. What's going on? That's two. Well, that's interesting. How can I have more than one active element? Yeah, I don't know why I'm getting that. Yeah, why I get two then? why why is it one here and two there? This makes no sense. I'm just going to click escape. Nah, I cannot be that. This is pretty silly, what can I tell you? But I cannot. I can always quote unquote fix it like this. No. I don't know what to do here. I'm stumped by this. I'm so stumped. Why am I getting 2 elements there? I don't get it. Yep. Sorry, I was super energetic and now I'm stumped by the basic stuff. By this, I guess it is what it is, right? And maybe I fix. I need it. I fix it, right? Did I fix it? Yeah, now I fix it. But this is weird. Why do I need 0 here? The key is definitely 27. Yeah. But I have basically need a way to remove, right? So I should do it like this. Not ideal at all. But this should get it done, right? Why is it not letting me do it like that? Yeah, that's not what I want to do either. Now it works? Nah, I can't believe it. Okay, there it worked. I guess I hadn't refreshed before. Okay, not ideal. But that seems to do the trick. So let's just test. And I was also thinking about adding front-end tests, which would set me back another year. Nah, I'm just being facetious. Okay, let's just test this from the top. So for example, At least let's write the test, right? Editor tests. If the input textarea on the right is selected, won't do anything on the left. Okay, we can close that. Let's click on this one here. So if I am doing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, nothing's going on, which is fantastic. But let's say there's a cursor. I do A, B, C, D, E, F. Ah, beauty. Select cursor and also check that if the input text, nothing moves. Then without being in editing mode, move down, be in position 1 and move down. See it skip to the next distinct position 1. That's already a nice one to implement. How do I do that? It will basically jump from foo to something. Sorry, not textarea. The data space is foo bar 1 yib. I love that I can just type this stuff quickly and I can represent data like this. It's really cool. I was also thinking in spreadsheets you lose a lot of time, at least I do, making the columns to have the width of the content, and here in Sol you already have that. So yeah, that's a point for Cell. Oh, this is really good. Nice. So the in position 1 and move down. Of foo bar 1 yib. Boom. And now it's horribly inefficient. Bear with me. Mosquitoes. It's difficult to be a Buddhist around mosquitoes. So what the hell do I do now? How do I jump? What's just running this logic here? Sorry, what am I doing? I'm doing left and right. What should happen when I'm doing left and right? Yeah, cannot say no to that. You know what? Let's do up and down. Yeah. we really move up and down, left or right. Why did I move it from there? It was just silly to do that. Very silly, because I don't need that. I only need it when I'm moving around. I just need to, let's do left and right again. Right. Without being in editing mode, go to the left, don't move, do anything, because you're already at position 1. Go all the way to the right, one at a time, until you hit the last one. Yeah, then we have the one for down. Go back up to an abridged path, like full, what is it, bar 2. You go to the 2 at position 3. See, you can't go left. That's what I want, to not allow it. What I need to see here is if you will be at or it's a bit tricky, but I think I did it. Interesting. Oh, there was one about the sky. So let's see. Well, I broke everything. Yeah, there. (186). Who wrote 186? You will be path index, of course. If path index is 0, oh, this is great. Yeah, boom. That's what I need to do. Just what I needed. And then it will be cursor path, right? Yeah. Okay, it doesn't let me go. A more interesting thing would be that if I want to go left, instead of not letting me, it will go to the next distinct one there. Actually, I won't do anything yet, but that's interesting. I'm moving around. Okay. Let's do this one here. It will be our and either path index or path index +1 cursor index +1 . Actually, that makes absolutely no sense because it can never be abridged if I'm going to the right? It can't. That's just silly. Good. When I click on escape, I don't want to destroy the cursor. I just want to say that the editing should be 0. Yes. Yes. Okay, I got the mosquito. Good. Cursor element is not defined. Wonder why. I probably wiped it. Yeah, cursor element should be the active element. Didn't like it. Yeah, didn't like that. There's an issue here. I did the code that I needed, which was I didn't even delete it. I delete something useful. The one where I added the where is it? What was it? No, it had to be at the top. It had to be not on the first one and this one. This one. We have that. When I click on it, I do that, but not when I'm doing enter. I got it. All right. Honestly, I could do this. When I click on enter, I could just do click step, right? Yeah, I could do that. This when you're editing it, right? Yeah. Yeah, basically when I'm making enter, so I need that return, enter, click step, you pass an index, right? It would be well, I need to write more tests because it's chaotic. Yeah, these tests look pretty good. I'm selecting something, click on the step, click on a non-selected step and see how the cursor jumps there. Escape it with escape. Enter edit mode again with enter. Again with enter. This change the text. We'll save the change. Change the value again. Exit it again with escape. This will not change the value. Change the value. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, maybe I can do the up and down now. So we have the left and right is fine, right? So let's start with from 0. I love, by the way, being able to do this stuff. So I have this. And I'll go to more to the right. Everybody swing to the right. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. The text representation and the editor representation. And if I do this, that's exactly what should happen. Okay. Position 1 of forward and move down. Okay. Should also jump up. Okay, so I think cell is starting to enter a stage of much more intensity. I'm happy. About time. So let's just do this. Let's implement that. Where so it will be, I will refactor this beautiful logic here because I want to do something else. It will be that stop if it's up. I need to I can do it with data times, right? Yeah. If it's up, I can do it. It would be from if I'm at element 3, I need to do it 3 times. Maybe paths. See, I have 5 and I'm at 3. Then I have to do -1. Okay. You start at path up. And then if it's up, it will be -1. If not, it will be +1. And I'm just going to iterate this. If path it will be path of k. No, it's not the path. See, this is an index. That's k. And stop and not undefined. And then I think that's it. If there's a where, bye bye beautiful code. Yeah. Yes. Why did you do that? Because it's the other way around, silly. In that case, when I'm going up, it should be different, right? Oh, it is different. It's different. I need to jump to the abridged one. It is different. How are we doing on time? This is intense. That logic I had before was nice. If it's not up, I guess we can do it like this. If they're the same, keep on going. If it's not up, you can return the path. And if it's up, I need to keep on looking up. If paths k minus 1 cursor index, oh, paths k minus 1 first, and it's or okay. 206. Yeah, my bad. Okay. Yes, look at that. Look at that. This is a great moment to stop, but I have so much to do. We will quickly look at the diff. Yeah. Okay, we'll continue where we left off tomorrow. Let's just write it down. Okay, this is fine. I think the rest of the tests for the cursor and editing, fix them all. Good stuff. So this will complete the moving around and the editing. Just this. And this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.